Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this video from. If you're new here, karibu sana to this channel. Here it's all about good vibes, and today, as you can see, we are having an amazing video. Yes, if you have not watched my previous video, what are you waiting for? We prepared a smoothie on our previous video. Kindly you can go back and watch. And today we are going to fix an amazing recipe. Yes, we are going to do a fruit salad. Today we are having variety of fruits with me here, and these fruits you can get them locally anytime in your market. In and out of season, they are very available, so you don't have any excuse of not trying it out. Yes, with me I'm having watermelon here, we are having bananas here, we are having mango, I'm having avocado, and I'm having an apple. And anytime that I get an opportunity to use a cucumber, I don't hesitate. And we are having also some yogurt here. This will help it will help also to make the fruit salad very and more tastier. And also, as you are considering to make a fruit salad, you can also consider to make it colorful. So whenever you're going to choose fruits, you can always opt for colorful fruits. Yes, of course, like watermelon, apple, avocado. You can also include things like grapes, grapes. What else can you include in your fruit salad? Let me know. Yes, and also if you have tried to do a fruit salad, please, you can share your recipe with me also. It's good, we are learning, we are exploring a lot of areas of our lives. Yes, before I'm going to start, I'm going to wash them, especially if I'm using some fruits here, and I'm going to consume the outer part, like the apple. I have to wash it very clean, because I'm going to consume the outer part, and also like things like cucumber. Yes, so stay tuned with me as I do the cleaning, or what, the washing of the fruits with me. Yes, we have washed our fruits, and for me I prefer to wipe them, because I just want a clean surface. So I'm going to wipe them. You can use a clean kitchen towel. You can use a clean kitchen towel, so that you don't dirtify. Of course, you want a surface that is clean and no water. Yes. Ready. Now it's just mixing up. We have our mango here, just a small portion. We're having our apples, they're here. We're having avocado, I love avocado. We're having our bananas, and our melon, and some cucumber, and of course our yogurts. Yes, we can mix them up, and then you can, it's not necessarily you use yogurt. For me, I love it because it's more tastier. Yes, just look at that. We have, which color is it orange? I don't know. We have orange, we have green, we have some reddish over there, we have some, is it gray? Okay, I think it's gray, and we have some whitish and green. Yes, our fruit salad is ready. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Looks like a rainbow. Yeah, our fruit salad is ready. You can decide to top up with some yogurt, or you can just leave it like that. It's you to decide. Go try this at home. If you're not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing for positive vibes. Let me enjoy my fruit salad. See you.